What's up, guys? Thank you so much for joining my channel today. Naturally, me, Dion here. Wanted to share with you guys some new things that I got. Well, I'm only going to show pretty much one thing that I got. This palette, and I wanted to try this palette, okay? This palette is by Hard Candy, and I heard that a lot of my friends is bragging about this palette right here. So I was willing to try it, and I was like, girl, I got to get my hands on this palette. So she sent me a picture, and she actually took out the time, came and got me, because you know I'm going through it, you know, with my back. And she came and got me, and she's like, girl, let's go look at some makeup. Girl, you know, if you can't get me out of the house for nothing, you can get me out for, in this season, some medication and makeup, okay? Medication and makeup, okay? So, however, when, man, I walked in there, I was like, girl, like, this is such a beautiful palette to me, and it's very affordable. Whoa, like, girl, I used to wear the mascara from Hard Candy, and I really did like it. I got a lot of compliments, you know, and they come big. They come in like a big thing, and it also come in smaller ones. Man, like, I kind of don't know what made me stop using it. I don't think anything stopped me from using it. I just stopped using it. And what you do is just snap this up. Is that where you go? Or see, I ain't even. See you. Okay. So, what you do is you first off have to find out how you're gonna open this thing. So, yeah. So I guess you're gonna have to have some nails or something, because I can't. Okay, I know for sure this is not the side to open it. It has to come from this side. So I'm not editing this part out, because you guys, if I'm having a hard time, I believe somebody else might have a hard time. So I'm going to take the comb of my tweezers here, and I'm going to kind of, there we go. Okay, so now that we got that accomplished, you guys see, oh, wait, we have these here and these here. This is cool. Kind of help you, you know, apply the glitter or whatnot. But you know what? I don't use these. This is not something I do. Now, you can get me to get something, go buy affordable products, but you can't make me use everything that come with them. This is how this palette looks. Oh my God, like, girl, this is affordable, and it's like blinking. It looks like, it gives me like candy, like sugar, like a sugar rush. Like, I want to eat it. Like, I want to see what this tastes like, because this is kind of, oh my God, like, I seen she had one that was like red here. But I didn't see that in the store. But it kind of reminded me of cotton candy. No, this reminded me of cotton candy, a little bit of candy apple. Yes, girl, this is giving me like those sugar suckers, you know, you can find in the candy store, in the mall, girl, candy factory. Yes, girl, you ever been to that candy spot in Atlanta, girl, that chocolate factory in Atlanta Mall? Oh my God. So I'm so loving the way this looks. So I'm itching to try it. However, this is not going to be the only palette that I use. I am going to go into this Juvia's Place, okay, palette. And this is the Sahiri palette. Whatever. But anyway, so I'm going to go into this palette, guys. If you guys want to see what I think about this palette, please do check that video up at the top here. And I'm going to share with you guys what I feel about, my honest opinion on how I feel about this palette, okay? Anyway, so this is the palette I had that I felt that'll probably go good with one color, few colors in here, but I'm not going to use many colors. I just really kind of want to use this color. As you guys see, I got like a natural thing going on. Not dramatic, not none of that. You know, I didn't even draw my brows in, but I did go, you know, clean everything up or whatnot. So it's just natural today, because this is an unexpected video. But however, since we're here, we're gonna dive into this bad boy right here. That work. Now what I'm going to do is use this diamond shadow brush, okay, and this is a 410 brush. Y'all know I'm not finna even start saying these numbers or whatever, but I'm gonna dive into this color, okay, and I'm gonna pat real good because let's see what happens. So I'm gonna start from here, and then I'm gonna work my way in. Okay, and I like the little coat that gave me because I'm not diving in there like I would normally do. And it kind of shows up better without using any primer, eyeshadow primer, I think. So I'm kind of going to try to build this color up as much as possible. Okay, just kind of build it and work it around. Because when I'm done, it's gonna look like I've done a ton of work. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Like it's gonna look as if I done a ton of work to my eyes. Okay. Now today, this shadow is applying quite lovely. Maybe it's the brush that it likes. I don't know. But when I did my review on it, it is still kind of hard to blend because you're kind of getting like it's in certain spots. But you know, yeah, just gotta work with it. Okay, so now that we got that accomplished, let's focus on the other side. So now that I did this look here, what I'm going to do is I want to cut my crease, but I may end up, damn it, it unclosed and it's hard to open, especially if you don't have nails, girl. Just get yourself some tweezers and open it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into this one first. No, I'm going to dive here. See? No, I'm going to dive here. I'm so lost. I just want to see what it's going to do. Oh, girl, like peach me. I stuck my finger in there, baby, and it like put a dent in that thing. Like, oh my, it's like I'm not finna do no swipe. I know y'all ain't think that. No, I'm finna apply this. And I'm gonna tap that thing like, oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, hey, this is so beautiful. Let me do it here. A little bit goes a long way. It's like a wet, girl. Like, look, watch. Oh, oh my God. Thank you, friend. And it's just like, okay, I might fuck up everything because I'm loving this, okay? This here gonna make me put a mole on it, okay? I'm gonna have to put a mole on it. I'm gonna have to put a mole on my face somewhere, honey. Woo, okay. I want to put it all over the place. I want this all over my eye, okay? I want it all over my eye, like, yes. So this here, yes, honey. So, oh my God. I'm like, and now I'm like, I know I wanted the gold in there, but now I'm kind of skeptical. Maybe I should do this. But I'm going to go and we're going to keep this thing gravy. We're going to keep this thing good or whatever. So what I'm going to do now is take my pinky and I'm going to take my pinky and put it in here. Oh my gosh, ramen noodles. Oh, girl, like this is like one of your looks that you gonna get sexy quick. You gonna get sexy quick. Okay, let's go. One more time. One more time. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay. Girl, you fake on Walmart all day, honey. But don't you be saying nothing about hard candy. Look, I got a. Oh, girl. A little product goes so far with this stuff. Because let me tell y'all something. Now, I'm using this stuff. I'm gonna use on tattoo. Look. This from the first one. Okay. A little bit goes so long. Look at that. Like I still this stuff and then it sticks too. Like it's got something in it to make it stick. So now since I accomplished this, I can really just go on without whatever. You can choose to put lashes on if you want to, girl, but today ain't happening because I like this, okay? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish my look off, go back into my Juvia's Place palette, and this time I am going to go underneath with this orange color here. I'm going to go underneath my eye just to kind of bring out some, explosions, Must I say this look is going to be as simple. It's not going to be hard. This is an easy, quick, get through with me. So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm going to go on this side here. This is a quick and easy makeup tutorial, baby. You can get your stuff and roll out with your man. Like, he ain't got to be waiting. Okay? Like, you ain't got to go through nothing. You don't have to set nothing. Just go. So, here is what you got. Now, girl, what I'm going to do. So, I'm going to grab me some mascara. And this mascara is by Stella. Love this mascara. I'm going to apply this to my lashes. Okay, so you can roll with this and go with it if you like. Next, what I'm going to do, because I feel like this is my thing, I got to kind of dorking that thing up over. So I'm going to go into my Fashion Fair shadow, and this is the black, and I'm going to dip this same brush that I use into that black, tap it, and I'm going to kind of just go around just a tad bit, just kind of smoke it out just a little bit, because it just don't seem like me without a little smoke going on. Like, we need some smoke action on this side of town to kind of just, it's okay to be natural, but don't just forget who you is, like, y'all know, shoot. So now I feel like this look here is beautiful. But one more thing your girl may have to do. Oh, yeah. Yes, girlfriend. So, guys, the overall, what I think about this here, the hard candy, amazing for you. Okay, I mean, the hard candy shadow glitter, the eyeshadow glitter. This is the glitter gel palette. However, do try it if you guys want to, see how you will like this. I think it's very nice for $6 or so and some change. I think this is very nice to have in your collection. If you guys don't have one yet, I really recommend that you go try it yourself, especially if you're a glitter lover. However, my video is not sponsored or anything. Just a friend of mine told me about this here. She took me to Walmart today and we went to pick it up because she wanted me to try it, and I really do love it. So this video is not sponsored. However, I'm gonna see what the website looking like, and I'm gonna put the website below, hard candy website below, and you can also go to Walmart to get it, but I'm pretty sure that the website probably have other things on there that probably isn't in Walmart. So you can kind of get it first. You can be the first one to see when they release it. So that's what I'm going to do. So I really do love this palette. Love it, love, love it. What I don't like is, well, I do like that it is very firm, okay? But I had to open it up with this or whatnot. So, I mean, other than that, this is an awesome palette. I'm in love with it. Yeah. So if you guys like this look, you know where to go get this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. Please do be blessed. As always, see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe below if you haven't yet. I would love to see you again. I would love to have you guys here again. Bye, girl. Be good. And if you guys are interested and you need some kind of inspiration on starting your business, starting your YouTube channel, check out the link up here. I really made a video concerning you. Okay? Bye. See you guys later.